guys, thanks for jumping in for another video. Hope you saw the last one with a little recap of where I've been. Anyways, we're jumping on the road, heading up to Canada. Hopefully we get across the border. And yeah, we've got the car all stickered up. And my buddy over at Midnight Tint and Vinyl, Chad, he just put on some clear flex. This is protective film for your windshield. It's similar to a clear bra, so or you know, Expel or anything like that, but it's for your windshield specifically. You know, it reduces glare as well as you're just gonna have much more of a longevity of rock chips going fast. So, anyways, let's get going. I don't need to really preface this. It's rally content, so let's get going. The rally officially starts tomorrow, but we have a meeting starting at 4 o'clock, so hopefully we make it in time for that. It's about 8:30 now, and let's get that clock ticking. See ya. Alright, so we officially have 222 miles to go, and we're just barely climbing up mileage. We're fighting it here. We're definitely going to fill up, but let's see how far we can get before having to fill up. Meanwhile, I have no idea what is a good Canadian gas station brand. Like, I could end up getting some awful gas. Hopefully no watered down gas. But anyways.
Don't hate on the Canadians.
Canadians.
What do I tell them?
We got engaged.
We got engaged.
Yeah.
Can't see it. There it is. Stops, being stuck on roads without turnarounds, and yeah, being tailgated by stupid cars that are thinking they want to race a Lamborghini. Meanwhile, we're in Canada. You get arrested for racing, that kind of stuff. Like, so, no. We went the wrong way for a while, and there's nowhere to turn around. When you get going, you can't turn around anywhere. Kilometers and miles per hour.
I think it's just 20 off.
I think it's 20 off. I don't remember. It's been so long since I've gone to Canada, and he's never been. This is his first time.
All right, everyone. We are officially here in Toronto. Got to the Marriott. Made it without cracking the windshield or chipping the paint yet. A few crazy drivers on the road, but so it goes. Anyways, no one's here yet. We've located one rally car and one other person, but we will see where we can locate everyone and get going with the rally. So thanks for watching, and stick tuned. See ya.
What you doing?
Can't be leaving your front lift up.
So sexy. Look at how you.
Oh, hi.
Oh my god.
Oh, hi there.